guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use the dual color heading from WPBakery Ultimate Addons plugin, okay? So you can create layouts just like this ones right here, or this one right here, or maybe this one right here, into a simple, fast, effective, and very fast method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over page. I'm gonna create a new page, but of course, you can enter the easy element into a previously built page. To make it work, make sure that you have WPBakery WordPress plugin and Ultimate Addons WordPress plugin active on your site. After, click on WPBakery Page Builder button from the Gutenberg editor. We're gonna have two options right here, the back-end editor and the front-end editor. I'm gonna explore both, but let's start with the back-end. Then you can start with a blank page or with a default layout with header, footer, website logo type, up to you, okay? Then click on add element, and right here you're gonna be able to see a couple of elements, especially in the case that you are using borderless plugin. But let's focus into the WordPress Ultimate Addons plugins, okay? Review the upper right corner of our screen. There is a search field. You can type dual, just like this, and we have two options. We're gonna choose dual color heading, just like this. So we have before text. We can enter a link to this text and the highlighted text, okay? You can type the highlighted text, enter a link. We can add an after text in the case that you want as well. Let's move to the Style tab, and right here we're gonna be able to change the alignment, the layout, the space between headings, before and after settings, and highlighted text settings. I'm gonna enter a background color for my highlighted text, just like this. Now let's review the results we got. Let me apply a little bit of space to this layout. Let me simplify controls. So here's the result we got. Let's play with this a little bit more on the WordPress front-end editor. You can click into this button right here, front-end editor. This is gonna load your site just like it loads on Elementor, for example. So you can see the results immediately into the live site. All you have to do is hover mouse over the element, click into this pencil icon to open up the editor. Let me reduce the page size. Well, for example, right here, I can change the highlighted text color to this one. Let me save change, and you can see the result immediately. You can change the border style, just like this. You can change the typography, for example, just like this. You can change the font family if you uploaded the fonts into the plugin, and create any layout that you wish. For example, change this for A2 as the HTML tag. Just like this. Simple, right? After doing the change in the way that you want, you can hit the update button into the upper right corner of our screen to save your change, and you're gonna have your dual color heading, okay? With the style that you wish for your site needs.